Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to add people on the WhatsApp. So if you want to add someone on the WhatsApp, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So there is two ways to add someone on the WhatsApp. First way is that you can simply open your phone log and add the number you want to add on the WhatsApp. So once you will add it in your phone directory, you can simply open your WhatsApp and you have to click here. Once you will click here, search the name of that person you want to add on the WhatsApp. It will appear here. Moreover, if you click here on this button, and after that here you will see add new contact. You can add the person with using the QR if you have. Moreover, here you will also find the add contact, where you can save the number of that person to add them. So this is the way you can add people on the WhatsApp. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.